Welcome to the lecture. If you want to become Certified SolidWorks Professional and you want to accelerate your career, you want to stand out on the job interview, you have to pass SolidWorks certification exam. How to take this exam and how to pass this exam, find out on the end of this lecture. If you find this video useful, click like and subscribe. Now in the previous lectures, we showed how we can work with forming tools. But as well, in the design library, we can find some cuts. So we can go here to the design library, we can go here to the features, let's go here to the sheet metal folder. And here we have different cuts that we can apply to our sheet metal component. So for example, we can select this one here, and we can put it on this face here, like this. Now here we have a face where we put this cut. Here we have configurations, we have one configuration. Here we have edit sketch. So we can go here with edit sketch. We can now edit sketch here if we want. If we don't want, we can go with a back. Like this. You can override dimension values. We can check this. And now here we can override it. If we satisfy with this, we can click OK. And now here we have a cut. This one here. Here on the feature manager design tree, we can find this cut. As you can see, cut extrude 1. Here we have different cuts. For example, we can go with this one here and we can put it somewhere here like this. If this is good for us, we can click OK. Now for example, let's select this one here, B141, and let's put it on this face. And now maybe this cut here, this triangle cut, is too small for us. If we wanna, we can change dimensions. So we can go here, size dimensions. We can check here, override dimension values. And let's go here to the A. We can see this is the A. We can change here, for example, we can go to 50. Hit enter. And now here we have a bigger triangle cut. If we are satisfied with this, we can click OK. If we want to move this to some other position, we can go to the edit sketch. Like this, we can go to smart dimension. We can select, for example, this point here. We can select this edge. Let's go here with 100. Like this. Let's select this point again. Let's select this edge here. Let's go here with 75. Let's hit enter. Like this. And let's go back. If this is what we're looking for, we can click OK. Like this. And now here we have our cut. And you can see this is custom configuration. If we open this, edit feature. So here we have default configuration. And here we have custom. Let's go with no. Let's exit. So this is how you can use those cuts from the design library. In the next lecture, we're going to show how we can create our own cuts. Hey, my name is Alen. Thank you for watching this lecture. Please like and subscribe if you like the video. If you want to become a SolidWorks professional, if you want to earn a SolidWorks official certificate, then you have to pass SolidWorks certificate exam. This can help you to get a better job, to negotiate a better salary, and to accelerate your career. In order to earn SolidWorks certificate, you have to pass the exams. I have courses that can prepare you for the exams. I have enrolled over 30,000 students. The rating I have for professional exam is 4.9. I have preparation for SolidWorks Professional, finite element analysis, surface, sheet metal, and drawings. In courses, you will find all of the tools explained. You will find exercises, examples, and samples exam, the similar one you can find on the real exam. Right now, I have a special offer, and this is if you buy one course for $10, you will get one course for free that you want. As well, if you refer any course to someone else, you can earn 50% per course. This way, you can make passive income. So if you want to get SolidWorks certifications, and you want to prepare for those exams, click the link below, check my website, and like and subscribe this video.